All right, folks, this is Hans the Ramen Rater with you for another instant noodle recipe time. And this is the show where I share with you my knowledge of instant noodles. I've reviewed over 3,000 varieties. Let's get started. So today we've got a variety from Japan sent by a fella in northeastern Canada, up where the people speak Inuktitut. Inuktitut, the finest language in the world, most fascinating thing I can think of that I've come across my ears in a long time. Yeah, it's something to check out. Inuktitut. Anyways, he gets noodles sent from Japan, and this is one of them. Pardon the snipping. I had to snip it up to get it ready for today. But yeah, this is... The company is Tokushima Saifun, and this is their Shoyu Tonkotsu cup noodle. Very excited to try this. I don't know that I've had really anything by them that I did not like. And honestly, everything I've had that company makes, Wes has sent me. So I think he's sending me the good stuff, which I'm totally cool with. So I'm going to try and experiment today. Let's see. Can you see that? No, not really. Okay. So in situations like this, I've got a noodle block, seasoning, and veggies, and I need to do something. I need to cook them up, and they get steeped for 4 minutes. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to try doing it in a measuring cup. I've measured out 300 ml, which is what it calls for, and it's at a boil now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the noodle block in. Because, I mean, look, it kind of is the same shape. There's the vegetable content, and here is the seasoning. And now, since it's already pre-measured at 300 ml, I'll just pour it on in. Look at that. Yeah. And it goes for 4 minutes. Starting now. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I think it'll do just fine, honestly. There. It's kind of odd. I really have this thing about noodles being in clear vessels. I don't know why, but soup in a clear vessel just drives me nuts. It's just my thing. It just drives me nuts. I don't know what else to say. He put a little note on each variety that he sent, and he sent quite a few cups. Note says, yeah, this is their Kinchan noodle, Shoyu Tonkotsu. Shoyu means soy sauce, Tonkotsu means pork bone. Follow the same instructions as original Kinchan noodle, except let stand for 4 minutes. I guess the other one stands for 3. At least that's what I'm guessing. I don't know. 3 minutes to go here at the Ramen Rater World Headquarters. Oh, look at that. We'll like put a fork in you, and maybe that'll help you sit down a little bit. But yeah, it'd be neat to have. Let's see how this goes. I think it'll do just fine, honestly. Excuse me. So this is I do 2 of these videos a day. I usually do 2 reviews a day. So, and this may be the last one for this whole week. Yeah. Don't worry, there's tons of extras. So what you're seeing right now, it's coming out the first time, but I did this probably like 2 weeks ago. Anyways, yeah, my son is graduating from preschool, and he will be 3 on August 19th. So that's really exciting. That's what, 4 days, 5 days? I think I want to say 4 days. And so yeah, we're really stoked, and I got family up all the way down in California. So that's really nice. Been seeing them every day. My wife's only got 2 days to work this week, which is really super cool. Yeah, so. Oh, and at this point, I probably have the new one back by now, I'm hoping. But over here, there's a box, and it's got my new computer in it, and it's ready to go on hop on a FedEx overnight to the repair depot and hopefully be repaired in short order. Hopefully they understand what's wrong with it. If they don't, that'll really be annoying. I think it'll be fine. Yeah. I think it's going to be just swell. Yeah, this doing it in a measuring cup really is working good. Oh yeah, so that video I did, to you it will be yesterday, but it was just a few minutes ago, of the yakisoba I made for Andy. That skillet just barely fits in the top rack of our dishwasher. I mean, it's huge. It's ridiculously huge. 2, 1, and 4 minutes elapsed. Alright. It's done. It looks absolutely hideous served this way, but I'm going to try it right now. Give it a little stir. First off, what do we have here? This is tonkotsu. I'm thinking that might be pork. It certainly is pork. Wow. There's also a crunchy vegetable item. Here's the noodle. I don't know. Noodle's just not hitting it for me. Kind of spongy. Broth. That's good. So, we've got a noodle that I'm not super keen on. We've got a broth and garnish that I really like. So, something I should note as well. These are reviews that are way ahead. So you're seeing stuff that hasn't been posted yet on the ramenrater.com in a review. Unless you are, because you will. Yeah. So, starting around in the 2990s, you'll start, I think the 2980s, you'll start seeing videos at the bottom of my reviews that are this series. And eventually, every new review that you see on the site will have me preparing it and garnishing it with it. So I'm pretty jazzed on that. Alright, so let's make this happen before these suckers drink all the broth, which they're already doing in short order. Whoa, get in there. Whoa, get in there. Okay, let's start with, I've got 1 egg that I made today, and I'm hoping it came out good because it looks like it may not have. Spoon. Spoon hopping on board, egg hopping out. Egg-splosion. Egg-splosion on aisle 5. Egg-splosion. Yeah, that's not acceptable. But that's what we got, so. But I mean, hey, runny yolk, you can't go wrong there. Let's kind of make that look a little prettier. And let's go for our spring onion. right there. And you know, I really like it a lot, and it is a tonkotsu. My wife reminded me to get it the other day, so I am adding in some pickled ginger, also known as kizami shoga, because it behooves me to do so. That's good. So yeah, man, when that happens with an egg, that just like brings my mood down. I mean, I'm sure you can hear it in my voice. Just like, man, an accident. Accidental. And not only that, the last two videos here, we went to the place. They didn't have mung bean sprouts, so that really was a bummer. So, anyways, this looks eatable, so I think I'll have some of it. And yeah, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. If you like this video, please subscribe. If there are any varieties you want me to see me cook, doesn't matter if I've reviewed them or not, comment. Comment to me about anything. Ask me any questions. I think at this point I'm answering every single question people are asking me. So get in while the getting's good, I guess, on that. And yeah, if you like this, perhaps you'd like this and this, or this and this, or this and this. I don't know, but whatever you see over there, click on it, like it. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.